This is by far one of my favorite species of wood. This project is from over 4 years ago, and at the time, I hadn't even heard of Buckeye burl. But I found an eBay auction, and I did a little research on it. It seemed like a really cool species, and my client was up for it. So I won the auction, and I got it in the mail, and I got to work immediately. So it turns out this is a hardwood, but it's actually softer than most softwoods. I was shocked with how light the piece of wood was when I got it in the mail. But luckily for me, my client actually requested something with epoxy, so the epoxy soaked deep into the pores and actually made the wood really dense. And as I'm applying the finish now, you can actually see that this wood has gray and even deep dark black sections throughout the slab, which is actually a very rare color to find in wood. And it turned out awesome. I'm super happy that my client requested some wine red epoxy because I think it matches amazingly. What do you